Ted Heinz's old house. Gone. Look, I can't believe the way the trees are all ripped apart on the top of the hill. Look at this. Oh, man, oh man. What did it do at your house?
Nothing. Nothing.
It didn't even rain at my house.
No, I got just...
Holy
just
shit.
enough rain for the garden.
Holy crap. I didn't know it was this road. I heard there was a couple streets where it just ripped every house down. Man, man. That's just incredible. Look at that.
I thought we already passed it.
DJs? Where's Stuart at?
Right there. Holy shit, how's your house?
Pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah, pretty good.
Holy mackerel, dude, I'm just walking up here going fucking louie. And